as with the sales returns journal, I need somehow and I need somewhere to record when I return purchases to my creditors. So when we return goods that we've bought on credit, we need to record the transaction. There's going to be a decrease in our purchases, the amount that we owe our creditor, as well as the VAT that we're going to be claiming back. Again, we can't use our cash payments and our cash receipts journal for this. There is no cash involved at this point in time. So we need to record this separately, and we'll create a purchases returns journal. So my purchase return journal, the format very much the same as our purchases journal, except obviously we noticed that we're talking about the purchase returns rather than the purchases. Again, note the columns are the same as the purchases journal since we have to reverse all the details of the transaction. So in the purchases journal, we have recorded who we bought it from and the amount, etc., etc. And in this case, I need to make sure that I've reversed all that out, that I decrease the right amount of VAT, the correct amount of purchases, and the creditors control as well. So my purchases return, very similar concept to the sales journal, and obviously it's basically a reverse of the purchases journal. Make sure that you get the VAT input right. Don't be putting VAT output columns for your purchases returns and your purchases journals. Make sure that you're very comfortable with the fact that VAT input is for purchases and VAT output is for sales. You don't want to be losing marks by putting the wrong columns in there.